One of the best NBA rivalries. These two franchises hate each other, the Miami Heat versus the New York Knicks. Plenty of memories, but this is bad news for Knicks fans. Porzingis gonna twist his ankle going for the loose ball, and it turns a lot. So he left this game, did not return. He had to be helped away, but maybe it's not going to be that bad. Hopefully he's not out for a long time, because the Knicks are having a great season and they will probably make the playoffs if he's in the lineup. Cantor with the up and under move. And even though Porzingis goes down, the Knicks, they're doing a good job here as Courtney Lee gets a floater in the lane. Turnover, Miami Heat. Tim Hardaway Jr. inside the Cantor to throw it down. The Knicks go up big here in the first half. Look at this shot clock. Cheese. That is just embarrassing. Tim Hardaway Jr. is dancing. They're up by 21 going into the second half. This is without Porzingis. Miami Heat getting embarrassed on the road to three in Dion Waiters' face from Courtney Lee. The Knicks were on fire. They shot 60% on the game, and they had 26 assists as they cruised to victory without Porzingis. I got him leaning. I made him turn around. Lonzo Ball, he turned like a zombie in The Walking Dead. Lonzo's dead. He turned like a zombie. That's a murder. I'm literally murdering